Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to this beautiful day. Today again we are going to write in very nice handwriting. That is, in which book we write very slowly and nicely? In the cursive writing book. Yes, today we are going to do page number 17. See, so many animals you can see. So today we are going to write the names of animals which is on page number 17. So remove the book and we will get started. So have you opened your cursive writing book? Then the first word is elephant. Yes, have you seen the elephant in the zoo or outside in the circus? Today we are going to write the spelling of elephant in very nice handwriting. Okay, then we will begin. See, in your cursive writing book it is there. E L E P H A N T, elephant. ELPHANT, elephant. One more time we will write E L E P H A N T, elephant. See, in the same way you have to write in all the 4 lines, first on the dotted line and then you have to continue down, isn't it? Now, which is the next word? Goat. G O A T, goat. One more time. G. See, Miss is writing so slowly. In the same way you have to write. A T, goat. See here in double O, and O is joining from top and A from down. Don't take both from down. Some of you all are doing like this. So this both are wrong. This both are wrong. Yes, don't write like this. You write O and A properly joining. See, O you have to join from top and A you have to join from down. So elephant and goat we have written. Now which is the next word? Which is the next word? Will anyone tell me which is the next word? Now the next word is horse. Yes. Now Miss will write here horse. H O R S E, horse. See, take care in R and S. Some of your both are similar. So write slowly and nicely. H O R S E, horse. One more time Miss will write for you. H O R S E, horse. Yes, same way you have to write in your cursive writing book. Now the next spelling is which animal? Donkey. Yes, D O N K E Y, donkey. Again, D O N K E Y, donkey. See, Miss is writing so slowly. In the same way you have to write. You all can also spell like Miss, so you will know the spelling also. N K E Y, donkey, horse, donkey, and previous what did we write? Elephant and goat. This is in the first line. So you have to complete the first line in all the 4 lines in very nice handwriting. Now let's move ahead. The next word, which animal? Cow. C-O-W, cow. Again Miss will write C-O-W, cow. One more time. C-O-W, cow. Yes, same way you have to write. Now the next is bear. Write B very nicely. B-E-A-R, bear. Again. B-E-A-R, bear. One more time. B-E-A-R, bear. See, B and E write properly. Some of you all are writing like this, and then this also. See, this looks like double E. This B is not correct. Don't write like this. This is wrong. Okay, write B very nicely with this loop. Has to, don't, it doesn't have to come so big. Yes, this is wrong. It has to come that much only. Okay, so cow and bear we have finished in the next line. Now the other 2 words, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Okay, have you seen zebra with black and white stripes? Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Again one more time Miss will write for you. Z, E, B again write nicely as I taught you before. R, A. Yes, Z, E, B, R, A, complete in the next 4 lines. Now the last word, leopard. L, E, O, P, A, R, D, leopard. Yes, in the same way you have to write in the next line also. Again we will write L, write nicely. L also the loop doesn't have to be so big. L, E, then O, and then from here only P, A, R, D. Yes. Now again one more time. L, E, O, P, A, R, D, leopard. Okay. So in the next line also we have finished zebra and leopard. Before which other 2 words we wrote? In the next line, cow and bear. Okay. So complete the other 4 lines in very nice handwriting. Cursive writing you don't have to write very fast like how you complete in your textual question fair book or science book where you write very fast. Don't write very fast in this cursive writing book. In this book you have to write very slowly. See, all the dotted line is given. Slowly you have to complete all this line, isn't it? So write in very good handwriting and enjoy writing nicely and have a nice day.